and welcome to a cold and snowy episode of Cooking with Greenmoxie. And today we're going to make, in a grill, a steak and mushroom pie. Let me show you how. So the first step to cooking a steak pie is cooking steak. So I've seasoned my steak here, and I'm just going to put it straight on the grill. I like it medium rare, but you cook it the way you like it. So now we're just going to slice our steak into very thin slices. So I've oiled the grill so that the pastry doesn't stick to it. And now I'm going to lay one sheet of pastry down and put my filling on. The first layer we're going to put down is a layer of onion. But you really can't put anything in this pie. You can make a pizza pie with tomato sauce, cheese and basil. You can put chorizo or any kind of preserved meats in here. And you can also make a vegetarian one with spinach and feta. Alright, next up we're going to put some sliced mushrooms on. Spread them evenly over the pastry. Then comes our steak. I'm going to put the cheese on the top and season with salt and pepper. Once you've topped it with cheese, you're gonna roll out your other piece of puff pastry. I've used store-bought here, but feel free to make your own. And you're gonna place it on top of that first piece. Now just turn up the edges and fold them over so that your filling doesn't spill out when you are cooking on the fire. Right, now gently close your grill and pop it on the fire. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really loved having you. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and subscribe if you want great videos on campfire cooking, bushcrafting skills and foraging. Thanks a lot. Bye.